For homeowners in Loves Park, comfort and livability are top priorities, especially in compact homes where every square foot counts. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to improve both airflow and overall comfort is by installing awning windows. Designed to provide excellent ventilation, style, and efficiency, awning windows can make a big difference in how your home feels and functions. If you're looking to create a brighter, fresher, and more breathable space, here's why awning windows are a smart investment for your Loves Park residents. Superior ventilation in small spaces. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating an angled opening that allows air to circulate freely while keeping out rain and debris. This design is ideal for smaller homes in Loves Park, where maximizing airflow can be challenging. Even in tight spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and hallways, awning windows encourage natural ventilation, helping remove humidity and odors more efficiently than traditional window types. They can be positioned higher on walls, which means they bring in fresh air without compromising wall space needed for furniture or decor. All-weather airflow. Even when it rains, Loves Park residents know that weather can be unpredictable. One minute it's sunny, the next, a light rain rolls in. With awning windows, you don't have to worry about closing up your home every time the forecast changes. Their top hinged design lets you keep them open slightly during rain showers without letting water inside. This means you can continue to enjoy fresh air and maintain healthy indoor circulation, even during damp or humid conditions. Energy efficiency that saves you money. Proper airflow helps keep your home cooler naturally, but awning windows also contribute to long-term energy savings. When closed, their compression seal forms a tight barrier that prevents air leaks, reducing drafts and keeping your home's temperature consistent year-round. For Loves Park homeowners, this means less strain on your heating and cooling systems and lower energy bills. Many modern awning windows also come with double-pane or low-E glass options, which help block UV rays and insulate your home from extreme temperatures. Perfect fit for compact home space is valuable in smaller homes, and awning windows make the most of it. Because they open outward instead of inward or upward, they don't interfere with furniture placement or room layouts. Their compact, functional design makes them ideal for areas that need ventilation but have limited wall space, like above sinks, bathtubs, or countertops. This makes them especially popular among homeowners looking to modernize smaller kitchens or bathrooms in Loves Park homes. Enhanced natural light and aesthetic appeal. Awning windows may be small, but they let in a surprising amount of natural light. When installed higher on the wall or paired with larger fixed windows, they help brighten up your home's interior while maintaining privacy. For Loves Park homeowners who want to make their compact spaces feel larger, this extra light can make all the difference. The sleek, modern lines of awning windows also complement both traditional and contemporary home designs, adding visual appeal from inside and out. Low maintenance and long lifespan. In addition to their performance benefits, awning windows are known for being low maintenance and durable. Built with high-quality materials like vinyl or aluminum, they resist rust, warping, and moisture damage, a major advantage in the Midwest's varied climate. Cleaning is easy too. Many models feature accessible hinges that allow you to reach both sides of the glass from indoors, making upkeep simple even in second-story installations. The smart choice for Loves Park homeowners. If you're looking to enhance airflow, improve comfort, and make your compact home feel more open, awning windows are a perfect fit. They combine practical ventilation, energy efficiency, and timeless style in one sleek package, all while helping you make the most of every inch of your living space. For the best results, work with a local Loves Park window installation professional who understands the region's climate and can recommend the right materials and designs for your home. With expert installation, your new awning windows will provide comfort, efficiency, and lasting value for years to come.